Tracking contractor payments without a spreadsheet is easier than you think. And in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it seamlessly, without the hassle of managing rows and columns in Excel. Stick around to the end, because I'll reveal a tool I've tested that simplifies this whole process and give you access to an exclusive free trial just for watching this video. We've all been there. Managing payments, ensuring everything is tracked accurately, and keeping an eye on due dates. Spreadsheets may seem like a simple solution, but they quickly become unwieldy, especially when you're dealing with multiple contractors across different projects. So, what can you do instead? The first thing you need is a tool that organizes your payments without the need for a manual spreadsheet. What I recommend is using a dedicated software solution that automatically tracks contractor payments, keeping everything in one easy-to-navigate platform. Our software streamlines the entire payment process and lets you see an overview of what's due, what's been paid, and what's pending, all in one place. Here's how it works. Once you've added your contractors, the software lets you input the payment terms for each project, whether it's a flat fee or hourly rate. You can set up due dates, and the software will send reminders when payments are coming up. No more hunting through your inbox or cluttered spreadsheets to find out what you owe. Now, to get more granular, let's talk about tracking actual payment amounts. Instead of updating a spreadsheet manually after each payment, our software tracks this automatically. When you mark a payment as completed, it adjusts the balance and shows you exactly how much remains on the contractor's invoice. This way, you're always on top of your finances and there's no room for human error. You'll also want to easily pull reports, especially if you have a lot of contractors and need a quick summary of payments. With the software, it's all automated. You can generate payment reports with just a few clicks, making it simple to stay organized. No more sorting through data or checking multiple files. What's even better is that you can link the software to your accounting system or bank, so when a payment is made, it syncs up automatically. This integration reduces your workload and ensures that everything matches up perfectly with your accounts. I've tested a lot of different software for tracking contractor payments, but what we'll be using today is the one that I found works best for freelancers and businesses of all sizes. And here's the exciting part. I've secured an exclusive free trial of this software just for viewers of this channel. You can try it out for yourself by clicking the link in the description below. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Tracking contractor payments without a spreadsheet is not only possible, but it's also easier and more accurate with the right software. You can stop using spreadsheets and get all your payments, invoices, and due dates organized in a simple platform. If you take anything from today, it's that this software will save you time, reduce errors, and make sure your contractors get paid on time, every time. To wrap it up, here's a quick review. We've talked about using a software tool to track contractor payments, how it helps you stay organized by automating payment tracking and reminders, and how to generate reports quickly. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.